Nandito po tayo ngayon sa hazing sa Corpus Christi School. Matutunghayan po natin na may isang taon na hinahazing na po. Pasok na tayo.
Now we are here in this classroom. Now we're going to initiate a person. Now this initiation is from Takum.
Okay.
The Alpha Igor Rambutan. Now we're going to initiate that person. Hello. In initiating a person in Takum, you must show yourself that you are happy. Right? Happy. Smile. Okay, that's it. Now, watch closely what will happen because don't try this at home.
Ako mag-execute. Okay mga boys, mag-start na sila. Okay, in the meanwhile, be entertained. Okay. Kita yun na. Sabihin mo, I love the Corpus Rambutan sa... Ano ba yan ang mapan? Nakasan mo! I love the Corpus Rambutan. I love the Corpus Rambutan. Sakit po nun! Nakasan mo! Ano ba yan? Atas na. I love you, Corpus Rambutan. Ano ba? Ano reaction mo ngayon?
Sakit! Talaga? Ano talaga?
Kaya
Kaya mangyayari tayo katatapos. So be ready, future members.